You're here because you want to grow on TikTok. Welcome to the fam. Okay, that's enough. In today's video, I'm sharing 6 tips to get your first 1,000 TikTok followers. And the good news is the app is absolutely booming right now, and so is organic reach. So it doesn't take that long to get your first 1K. And stay tuned for the tip where I'm going to share how to actually attract a quality audience that are going to care about your business. Because what's the point of being TikTok famous if there's no impact back to your business? So stay tuned for that tip. What I'm about to share with you has worked for myself, Elise Dharma, because I'm experimenting with TikTok just like you. And if you've been following my TikTok journey, you'll know from this video when I signed up for TikTok that it's been a journey. And today I have just over 4,000 followers, so I can definitely teach you how to get that first 1K. If we haven't met before, my name is Elise Dharma, and I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs like yourself use social media to actually generate revenue back to their business. Now, I specialize in Instagram, but I've also been learning TikTok. So today, I'm teaching you how to get your first 1,000 followers on TikTok. I want to share with you my TikTok journey so you can see just how fast growth can happen. I opened my TikTok account in September of 2019, and if you'd like, you can watch that whole experience right here in this video. I filmed the whole experience and how it went down, but that was the day that I started with 0 followers. I posted that day, and then I posted 2 more times in 2019 for a grand total of 3 times. Then in early January of 2020, I decided I'm gonna post to TikTok. After 6 more videos, by January 16th, I had 700 followers. By the 20th, I had 836 followers. And by the 25th, I had over 1,100 followers. So even though it sounds like I grew to 1,000 over 6 months, I really didn't grow until I started posting consistently in January. And when I look back on that month, I only really posted consistently for 2 weeks. So when you think about it, 2 weeks of video content turned into my first 1,000 followers on TikTok. That leads me to my first tip, and it's basically the golden rule of any social media platform, and that is to be consistent. For me, consistency meant posting 1 video a day. And even if a TikTok video didn't get a lot of views right away, I still knew that that 1 video could attract more views for weeks or months or even years to come. The thing that helped me stay consistent to posting once a day was thinking that every time I was posting a new video, it was an opportunity to attract new followers. And that's exactly what I saw. As I was consistent, every day I would get more and more followers. My second tip is to make videos for your target market, not for everyone who's on TikTok. Because by now you probably know that TikTok has a lot of users, but you don't need just anyone following you. You want, ideally, your target customer. So when you're finding trends on TikTok or songs that you really like, make sure that you're actually adapting your content that you're teaching or showing in your video to be specific to your target market. If you want to get some ideas on what kind of videos you can make for your business, check out this video right here, where I have given you 5 types of videos you can make that will actually grow your business. My third tip is to use hashtags strategically. And by that, you want to use the ones that your ideal follower is already using. Now, I do find that hashtags are pretty robust on TikTok, and TikTok makes it easy for you by suggesting hashtags as you start to type them in. You can even see how many views every hashtag has associated with it. So similar to Instagram, where you can see how many posts are associated with it, you want to choose hashtags that are niche and specific to your follower and the ones that they're following. Now, like Instagram, you're going to fit your hashtags into the caption space. You have 150 characters here, so after your caption, try to fit in as many hashtags as you can that are related to your target market. Using a specific hashtag worked for me back in January when I used the hashtag Instagram tips. And that video actually got 40,000 views really quickly, and now it has 60,000 views. So hashtags are really powerful and effective on TikTok. My fourth tip is to reply back to all of your video commenters. So as you start to post on TikTok, you're gonna start to attract people to your profile because TikTok's trying to figure out what's your niche, who's gonna be interested in your videos, and it's gonna start pushing it out to other people. Now, as those people find your videos and start commenting, it's good behavior on any social media platform to comment back. This also helps with the engagement of your video. And if you've caught on by now, a lot of these tips are very similar to Instagram. The TikTok algorithm is probably not that different from the Instagram algorithm. So all those engagement tactics that you know to work on Instagram, be sure to apply them to TikTok as well. My fifth tip relates to how you're going to engage with other people's videos. So as the TikTok algorithm gets to know who you are, your niche, and the kind of videos that you like to watch, your For You page is going to be curated just for you. So TikTok's kind of giving you a hint here, like, hey, here are the videos we think you'll like. So what I recommend to grow is to network, get your profile around on other videos by commenting on the videos that are showing up on your For You page. Now, I know it's very easy to see a video that has 10,000 likes and be one of the 1,000 commenters and try to get your comment to be seen. You can do that. But what I also like to do is when TikTok shows you a newer video that doesn't have a lot of likes, maybe 0 comments, that's a great video for you to comment on because you're giving that video a little love and you're doing exactly what the algorithm would like you to do, networking and commenting on the videos that it's showing you. My sixth tip is to write your captions using keywords or phrases that your target market is using. Now, hashtags, definitely searchable. Captions, not entirely sure about that, but I think it's better to be safe than sorry. So use the keywords that your target person is searching. Now, again, you only have 150 characters, so it is best to make your caption short and sweet, to the point, so that you have room left for your hashtags. And while I'm on this topic, I'm gonna throw in a bonus tip because you're still with me on this video. One other thing I love to do is actually add text to my TikTok videos to engage people because they might not have the sound on. I think majority of people do, but just in case, you want to add text titles over your video so that you're keeping them visually engaged. But more than that, you want to make sure that your cover image for your photo has a really bold text title. So you can edit all this into your video, but I find that's really effective to capture people's attention, is making sure my cover image has a bold text title so that it draws in their eye. Now, if you've made it this far, be sure to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. And I have a gift for you. It's my brand new TikTok resource for business. I'm gonna put the link right below this video in the description. So head to the description to grab this TikTok resource so that you can actually use TikTok to grow your business. To ease and revenue, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching today's training. Be sure to stick around this channel and watch some more. You can head to this video right here if you'd like and check out another training. And of course, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future trainings like this one.